Hi there. I'm Canvas, your assistant for writing and coding projects. Whether you're refining a piece of writing, debugging code, or exploring new ideas, I'm here to collaborate. What would you like help with today?
I need help refining an article for a graduate audience.
Got it. Let me adjust the reading level and refine your article for a graduate audience. I'll provide inline suggestions for clarity and flow.
Okay,
I've made some suggestions to improve the clarity and flow of your article. I've adjusted the reading level and added some refinements to enhance the tone. Would you like me to go deeper into any section or expand on any point?
that's looking great. Can you also help me debug some Python code I'm working on?
Sure. I'll review the Python code, insert logs, and identify any problematic sections.
Okay,
I've identified a couple of issues in your code and added suggestions to help fix them. I've also included logs to assist in tracing errors. Would you like me to go over the code with you or suggest improvements for efficiency?
actually, I think I might need some deeper guidance on both projects. Can you help me book an appointment with an expert?
Yes, that would be perfect. Could you please share your full name and contact number so I can confirm your appointment details?
Sure, my name is Alice Smith, and my contact number is 55598765543. I'm available tomorrow afternoon at 3 p.m. My number is 55598765543.
Thank you for confirming. Your appointment has been scheduled with an expert for tomorrow at 3 p.m. You'll receive a confirmation shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's everything for now. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day, Alice. Goodbye.